Hi guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. That depends on your location right now. Today I have been getting a lot of comments on my videos, and says most of them will say, how do you make your breakfast? In today's video, I'm going to be showing us how I make quick breakfast in the morning, or yes, in the morning, or a little bit after morning, depends on my day. So in this video, I'm going to be using tomato and garlic, fried onions, and then add some spices. This is garlic, and then all the necessary ingredients that I like to use. And I'll also add crayfish mangi. All right, I sprinkle it all over the fried tomatoes. Then I have some meat, like cow legs, cow foot, or cow tail. Right, a little piece of meat, about 2 or 3 I added to it. And then also I'm going to be using eggs, right? And then by the time I add that one, this meat already pre-cooked. I've already cooked them before. Okay, you guys all know that I pre-cook my meat, and because sometimes they are very hard to cook, so I make sure I prep it down. Yeah, so let's listen. Okay, I'm stirring. Yeah, and also I'm going to be adding some eggs in this video breakfast. I'm adding 3 eggs, just 3 eggs for the breakfast, and then I begin to stir just like so, just like that. Right, still stirring. I make sure I shove it from bottom so that there will be no burnt in the pot, or whatever you are cooking. Make sure it is not burnt. Nobody likes to eat burnt eggs. Fried egg, okay? You make sure you enjoy it, and then turn it upside down, front, back, all the corners. You stir it so they can come up very, very delicious. In this video as well, what I'm cooking now, breakfast, I'm also going to be adding pepper to taste. Without pepper, you're not going to feel the sweetness, the delicious, the smell not going to come out. The aroma, you're not going to see it without pepper. So I add a little bit of pepper, not too spicy because it's just breakfast. In this breakfast, I'm going to be eating this breakfast: egg, fried egg, onion and tomato with some meat, with bread. In this video, I'm going to be having 4 slices of bread because it's breakfast. Brown bread is what I'm going to be having this morning. So guys, these are little tips of my cooking, how I prepare my breakfast every day. Sometimes like this, sometimes the other way. So now it's ready, serving. Yes. In this video, I have 2 plates. One, I have to add the eggs already fried, and the other one, I have my bread, like so. See? So, and I'm going to be having a cup of tea. Sometimes I just add water. I just have drinking water or a cup of tea. Depends on my mood that morning. So guys, enjoy my video. If you have watched this video up to this extent, and if you have not subscribed, please do me a favor, help me and subscribe to my channel. Put on a notification button so that whenever I'm live, you're going to be notified, or when I drop the video, you're going to be watching. You're going to see it the first time. Thank you so much for watching up to this time. Bye-bye.